So today we're actually going to be focusing on other people's cars, more importantly my friend's cars over here. So going to be looking at my friend Andrew's coupe that he has that he's looking to restore. We're going to look actually at his parts car donor that's wedged in a barn with in between a bunch of hay bales and whatnot. And then we're back at his other shop where earlier in the summer season of the infamous project is where the Detch number 5 and my wild strawberry cars were. So we're over here now. We picked up some parts for Jordan's shell. If you can remember the white shell that we found on our road trip earlier in the summer. So he's been sourcing parts for that, trying to get, you know, doors, trunk lids, engine parts. This cat just absolutely loves the attention. Don't you? Yes, you do. So we got Andrew and Jordan in the back here. They're getting the area ready so we can move these parts and get them in. Right, little one? Black cat just loves attention. Yep. Over here, Andrew has a 92 coupe that's in this barn. He's had it for a long time. Figured I'd share it with you guys because it's interesting to see what people actually have hiding. And there's so many Fox bodies that are just hiding. You know, people want to restore them, sitting on them. And I've been bugging him to potentially sell me this car since he doesn't seem to be building it. And we're gonna call him out on that when we go inside here. That's why I'm talking shit outside, because I give him a hard time about this all the time. So the joke is now that this is actually a barn find, because it's been in his barn so long that it is a find. So let's go on in, take a look at this car. I was talking shit about you out there.
Well, I don't doubt it. There's a full A90 harness.
So he's avoiding the subject, the fact that he's got this car over here. Makes for a good storage. You should just like put a planter in there and grow some plants.
Yeah.
Look at that shiny VIN sticker on the fender. It's actually like shiny.
Yeah, man. Here's the frame rail.
You have your old Clifford alarm.
Yeah.
Clearly that didn't do anything when they stole the car.
Clearly. 194s. Unfortunately.
All right, so when are you gonna have this car built?
By 2030, maybe?
Oh, look, the door lock got busted. So what's the story again? Stolen,
So it was
fire.
stolen. They made a fire inside. They did recover the car. Bought it for parts and pulled the motor out and put it in my 4-cylinder conversion and could not scrap the car. So that is the next build. Whenever that may happen.
I don't know if I've ever seen this car in proper light. So you had it in the other barn. So yeah, man, this is crazy. So this is all like the factory lead that they use to
So when they
fill the seam.
When they put the fire out, they pried the trunk open, so it's
Right.
bent up here, but it's all matched. There's no curl in the bottom of the rear bumper. It's all true. But it's very, very clean.
So the fire was actually in the back half, right? It's all your wiring and everything's fine.
Yeah, the car still ran and drove when I got it.
Right.
You just take the ignition and
The cows are upset that you haven't
yeah, I
You
hear
know.
that.
restored the car.
I don't have the original donut anymore. Someone took
Yeah,
that
who
one.
took that? All right, Jordan. Whose car is gonna be done first? Yours or Andrew's?
He's got a couple more parts, but I might have more motivation. We'll see.
One thing is, I believe, even the pins aren't out of this door.
Right. So much potential.
Yeah, it's unfortunate.
It'll come back to life.
It will. It's just got warm enough to warp the top of the molding here on the quarter window.
Right.
So I don't know if we can ever bring that back, but maybe worth trying to save a quarter window. Because it's still not.
All right, they pried it here too.
Yeah.
Bastards.
Yeah. Unfortunately. I was able to get a hood for it, and trunk lids aren't too bad to come by. So that's
cool.
The story on it. There's a 306 and many, many pieces.
Awesome. Well, there you have it. Andrew says 2030 this car will be built. And if it's not, then I'll disclose this location and you can come have access to this barn find.
Follow the maze to find the next one.
Barn find part 2. Holy.
There she is, in all her glory.
Oh man, we get another light in here. This is something. There we go. That is a Foxbody.
Under that 3 inches of dust.
Oh, that's too funny.
Pretty much perfect quarters on it. Need to be cleaned up a bit. They're not.
Oh yeah.
So. And then.
Oh, we got the black. It's clean in there.
Yep. And that's after it's been sitting for 10 years like that.
Purchased for its black interior.
But
Now the cars are so hard to find clean, now it's worth saving. You know, like when I came back from holidays and we got the ACS car to storage.
yeah.
And I started it up. You push your lawn tractor out of the way in the video, so you're like famous. It's got like 150,000 views.
Famous because
And they're like, oh, that's a really nice lawn tractor you got. Yeah, this thing was clipped pretty hard.
Oh yeah, it's actually shoved. It's actually bent right up into here. This is all tweaked.
Oh, wow.
The floor is actually curled up a bit on it. Yeah, she was hit pretty hard.
Wow. That would have made a big bang.
See how the lines are straight at the back? Those other compressors I have with the dealer option air, they come out 45, and this line's different, and then that line's different. It's not as pretty.
Yeah, she's clean though.
Very clean. It's unfortunate. Very clean car.
Back to the shell. I feel like there's way more holes here.
I know.
And there. Do a hole comparison.
Typically, factory ones are punched, right? That'd be a factory one. These clean ones, like this one here,
You're gonna have to weld all that up.
looks drilled.
Yeah. Yeah, like same thing here.
Yeah, like there's more holes there than normal.
And
Look
here?
at the. That's not factory. Well, there's definitely some extras.
It's weird.
For whatever reason.
Just makes it more unique.
Yeah, can't get too close to the rear of it.
Oh yeah, that roof's got a lot of stuff.
Oh yeah. The roof's gonna need a lot of love. Odd way this didn't get painted.
It is odd, huh?
Looks like they only sprayed Because there's a, maybe it was set on a brace on the factory line here in the carrier. How it was sprayed. It's just odd. It's almost like it was sprayed with the fenders on.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, in reality.
Because it didn't have, it had fenders?
Yep.
Yeah, it had
Yeah.
fenders. Yeah, it's got fenders.
They're in there.
Why it had fenders is beyond me. And why it has an e-brake handle.
Yeah, and it has the one
Yep.
electrical connector.
Yeah, the one connector on it had trunk hinges.
Yes. And the tension rods.
Yeah.
Huh.
So it got pulled off the line somewhere. It's odd why it got that far down. So
Yeah.
they must have found a defect in it or a dent or something like that and pulled it off the line. But
Possible.
if it was used for fitment, it should be 100% correct car.
Hey Jordan, what are you doing? So there you have it, guys. Little day of adventures, follow up from the summer months and what was going on then, and the cars and the follow-up and the future and everything else. So hopefully you've really enjoyed those videos. Looking forward to making more coming up here in 2020. So thanks again for tuning in. If you like the content, be sure to subscribe, share it, like it, and Pat likes it.